Do you qualify for HVAC rebates? You sure could. Sioux City, Iowa residents may qualify for IRA heat pump tax credits and rebates through the Inflation Reduction Act. Heat pumps and ductless heat pumps are gaining in popularity in Sioux City, Iowa and throughout the Tri-State area. Many homeowners report savings of up to 50% with a heat pump system. It's like winning the lottery. Who qualifies for the IRA rebates? Homeowners who make smart energy choices can take advantage of huge savings. HVAC rebates, in the form of tax credits, are designed to help Sioux City homeowners upgrade their aging furnace with a modern, high-efficiency system. If your heating and cooling equipment is more than 10 years old, it may be time to invest in an eco-friendly, high-efficiency replacement. Are you looking to supplement your existing heating system with a ductless mini-split? You could qualify for rebates. Want even greater incentives? Consider a whole house heat pump solution to gain maximum financial incentives. And remember, your equipment needs to be installed by an approved contractor. Who you gonna call? Excel Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning, of course. They serve the Sioux City and Tri-State area. Find out if you qualify for the Inflation Reduction Act heat pump rebates. Get expert advice from Excel Comfort. They're a Daikin Comfort Pro and recognized nationally as a Ductless All Star. Call 712-223-8101 today.